Okay guys, good morning from Bhutan. Bhutan. Yeah, that thing also the breakfast in my this and Siliguri to the this is some thing good let's see. Yeah, the Bhutan can also the entry now on a chase ro. The dunia to any entry Shamba viewers ro. So now the Bhutan Girakaro get Tampo entry and to say. Yeah, I like to see what is it.
Come on, come here.
Thank you so much.
Yo guys, also train there Siliguri. Siliguri thằng bedroom fueling chi. 아니, 야, 당연히 와서 이 젠치 셴방에 셴바 소르도 사실 디 가서 봄날 마사서 야시드. This just is okay. Yeah, hani samo biker samo ready. And also this in Twitter. Yeah, last one in Bhutan na lao chu chu sta ko na se ti si chamba. So Bhutan main ta dwe me ta no yo. Okay, ta na ma Siliguri Twitter. So yeah. Okay. Okay, bye. Shopagi tanda chizu gewa in kamang apchurcha. Tango the Bhutan the stage le pinsok ling le. 아주 필요 없지 싫어. 아니 정말 좋으네. Hey, huh? Oh, okay. Yeah. Good year. Yeah, and oh my God, Bhutan में पेट्रोल का रेट देखो कितना है 58 1 लीटर का 58.76 पैसा. Oh my God. Yeah. 근데 숨지 짱부 교리래가 어떡하나. Timpu jadang abjong som pora jada shishidu. Oh, tang the feeling chi ta pa. I get ma the do ro. Yeah. Okay, bro. Bro. Okay. Bye-bye, Bhutan. Bye-bye, Bhutan. Tse chuwas bro dro goen ko mashi shipshi sha tangazini tendere Siliguri peji sumsting dra ani Bhutan nangol fuel ve kyoje 58 something ne jelam de themaji khuen try shi to dai ja okay yeah wow what a beauty here. It's nice. Isuzu motivation shigesho. Yeah, the long da the ओ भाई लंगा खार दी वेस्ट बंगाल का अंदर एंट्री होते भाई ये रास्ता कैसा है भाई कसम से यार ये पूरा क्या है क्या भाई Okay guys, Siliguri gada shivshesum. Rail! It's Langa ma dia per ande orish speed कर लेगा तो ढेर जाओ छूंगा क्या री दो दिन थोड़ा दो वाओ छू संगबो Beautiful. Oh, bridge, or flower bridge, the bridge. There's a big one bridge. Oh, so nice. Wow, that's a beautiful. Deep bridge में ना पास ड्रेप पे जैसे मुझे है जो what that bridge that one Deeper langje da simje yor lagro ani je thumoso eje langje da sik thom takte wamoso tama thada de chu khaju du tangbo smel second khaju new ku desera mindo yaba ye do si capture chu sa takte thom di wamoso thona da Siliguri kilometer churcha. Siliguri kilometer chudu. The speed one tag is ra. Oh my god. That chido speed char do. You are the one. The speed digam ligit jande. Tegana speed chala. Yeah, Siliguri kilometer chu. The kilometer gate grace. Took this shake it. Fly over the chumbu straight shira. When you must have did what do share. Sagar some. Oh, the Kombodo. Kilo. Ale. Also the Siliguri. Okay guys, the Siliguri church so. And some famous last one man and the last one man so some Siliguri में माई जाने Pepsi या कुछ तो Sardogang
Dazzling sumelam ni. Lawan lah.
So, tapi besok ni.
다들 빨리
Ya, itu muda ya.
네, 저 다질링.
Oh iya ni. Terima kasih welcome ya kusiso Darjeeling da tasani shun da pemi sokpa ani changmadu. Okay, terima kasih. Ya, this cheese. Let's go. Let's go. Market. Market डर मारा है कैश कौन सा है या मार्केट है oh my gosh where
good evening everyone. So we are the Tibetan Youth Congress and we all are Tibetan, and Tibetan Youth Congress is the largest and the oldest Tibetan non-government organization which is mainly do political activities to give more advocacy and campaign and political rallies, hunger strikes, different things so that the Tibetan or the other countries know about the Tibetan cause. We are working on mainly important things. So we are globally there 89 chapters and more than 38,000 members globally. And those.
So we want to thank all the media personnel for accepting our invitation and making your presence to cover this important press conference of Tibetan Youth Congress. So this is the press conference regarding the TYC bike rally, All India Bike Rally. So Tibetan Youth Congress will organize All India Bike Rally on the 22nd of November from the Bumla, so which is situated in the Tawang district of Arunachal Pradesh. So this bike rally will cover more than 20,000 kilometers in next 2 months. So the very purpose of Tibetan Youth Congress for organizing this campaign is we have a 3 major objectives. First one, since the Chinese illegal occupation of our nation Tibet in 1959, China is introducing a cultural genocide in Tibet. They are trying to eliminate the very identity of Tibetan people. So we are very much concerned with the Chinese ongoing cultural genocide. Through this campaign, we want to draw a pressure on the Chinese Communist government to cease or to stop this ongoing cultural genocide inside Tibet. And second, we are going to travel more than 20 Indian states. Through this campaign, we want to extend our gratitude. We want to say thank you to the government and people of India for the solidarity and support that we received for more than 6 decades. We also want to urge Indian parliamentarians to have a resolution in support of saying that Tibet was an independent nation and it was illegal occupied by so-called People's Republic of China. That is our second demand. And third one is regarding the Tibet environment. Due to the unique geographical location of Tibet, our country is known to be the third pole of the world. Since Chinese illegal occupation of Tibet, China is polluting the very fragile Tibet environment. They are carrying out the deforestation. They are doing all the illegal mining on the land of Tibet, especially the rivers. We are known to be the water tower. So number of, including the Brahmaputra, Indus, they are originated from Tibet. Now the China these days, either they are polluting or they are diverting the major rivers. So we are very much concerned with the environment issue of Tibet too. So through this campaign, we want to highlight the critical or the deteriorating environment situation of Tibet, and we want to draw the support from India and international. So with these three objectives, we have carried out this campaign. So far, we have traveled with a number of northeast Indian states. We started from Arunachal Pradesh, then we had towards the Assam, we went to Nagaland, and day before yesterday we were in the Meghalaya, and today we are in the West Bengal. So with this, we are going to travel all the West Bengal. After that, we will head towards the Bihar. So this, as I mentioned earlier, this campaign will cover more than 20 Indian states in next 2 months. So thank you so much. So I'm happy to accept the question from the media. So we have 11 bikers, which are from the 7 different regional chapters of Tibetan Youth Congress, and we have 3 staff and the executive member from the Tibetan Youth Congress Central Executive Committee, and we have 1 mechanic. In total, we have 50. Yeah, we are going to conclude it in Delhi after 2 months.
Yeah, the Siliguri market is the only the Bajaj showroom, the getting from young to some the service time, Hassan service achievement, and among its major cheese. Okay, Tangarani Hassan Chimore, Gawadilla, Cherum dieting as to Tengi, the Gonzo, the filter, the Pekagudoni, Tichine, Tatare, Ela, Siligurilla, Togu, service you are so, sir, showroom the service center lower.
फोटो खींचा खाली
Okay, no problem. Hindi susumbar ko masumnish. Bago mari de bago hasu. Yeah, the Bajaj showroom Siliguri, the Damla Trump the service center bro. Yeah, tanga tanda de konjo gi lana disc brake ni jam de munduro ana ngara extra kiyo ta bene. Hodi ni ngara chishi shero ani engine oil change shero. अनि एयर फिल्टर दिदीकी छेर जो गुरके छ छिगिम देनी उजु के र ये उजु के हम भने यासिम को छेगुला छ त टेंगी खा बेसी एयर फिल्टर सम टेंगी हो र देरा छिस मारे उजु जो यो मारे सब पाको संद त या ल सो त नति स्वेट छि त्यो सुम्बा यस
কলকাতা পৌঁছে যাবে কন্ডিশন আছে কালে ছেড়ে দে দরকার নাই कस्टमर को कोलकाता तो जा चेंज करे नहीं पकड़े आता डिस्प्ले
स्टॉक है मैं लगा दूंगा
मेरा पास है तो स्टॉक
आपको पास है
अगर कैरी करना है तो ठीक है अगर नहीं कैरी करना है तो आपको वाला दे देंगे
मोटर की दादी लोरा दिरे रे खसुर तो मुकुटियां आप चुरशिरा अच्छा तो दिस
फिल्टर तो नहीं है
काला होगा कैसा होगा हो गया है ना
बजाज का जो है वो कंपनी आपको
येगा हाँ तो पता होता शाम दा थे Shika kamu sudah kita asal ini. हो गया चलो 어? 오리지널 진치로 아니 디스플레이 진치 아니 디가래 에어포트로 가신 것 진치로 대기 와지기로 오늘 진치면 가지고 건설 좀더 거기 내어야겠는데 내가 같이 대기 MP 이거 고르게 무슨 브로기 하는데 개지 몰라요 건설 디스커션 워싱도 쳐도 워싱 있다는 쟁기를 가서 치도 야야 안디 이런 것도 선수도 왔다 인진오일 젠체비 있으면 인진오일 시도 선수 어디 상황다 내가 쉬는 게 되고 그러라 이거 내가 보이라 아니 클래스에라면서 가랑이 제가 저거 쇼 또도 클래스에라면서 가서 나다 개념이다 차로도 아니 okay guys the finally there 아주 Siliguri 그래 Salugara George and there some of the scenery 아주 대 클래스 상마스도 스테이지라 소프시니 요시니 아니 너무도 아니 룸도 스팅어라 싫어 안데도 룸데서 등요도 요시니 야 안데 아주 멤버 성도 신데 되게 신데들 요신 성 오케이 정말서 바이크 맨딩 정말 시설에 so that was in there. Okay guys, I'm taking into the Degarzam Shaura, taking away to agency in last depressed you. That's